The world of digital finance is constantly evolving, and knowing how to fund your platform is essential. Let's look at the different payment methods you can use to deposit funds into your Uphold account. For adding fiat currency, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds, Uphold offers several convenient options. You can link a traditional bank account to make a deposit. For US dollar accounts, this is often done using ACH transfers, and for accounts in Europe and the UK, you can typically use SEPA or Faster Payment Service, also known as FPS, respectively. Some banks also support instant transfers like FedNow or RTP. For larger transactions, you might consider a wire transfer. If you prefer using cards for quick transactions, you can link a debit card or a credit card to your account. Debit card deposits are often instant and may also support withdrawals, while credit cards are usually for instant deposits only. Keep in mind that for cards, some region-specific policies may apply, such as U.S.-issued cards for U.S. transactions. Beyond bank transfers and cards, Uphold supports several digital payment platforms. U.S. users can instantly fund their wallets using a linked PayPal account, making it simple to leverage your existing funds and payment methods within PayPal. Other popular options include Apple Pay and Google Pay, which are available in various regions and offer another layer of convenience and speed. Finally, for those already holding digital assets, you can fund your Uphold account by depositing cryptocurrencies directly from an external crypto wallet using the respective crypto network. Uphold supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to transfer your existing digital assets seamlessly. It is always a good idea to check Uphold's official support pages for the most current information, as payment options, fees, and limits can vary depending on your geographic location.